Kids Interactive Theater presents The Mysteries of Ancient Egypt, a fun, educational show for grades 3 to 8. My name is Queen Hatshepsut, and I am queen of all Egypt. Let Queen Hatshepsut capture students' imaginations as she takes them back to ancient Egypt, a time when art and civilization flourished. Artists would then come with little pots of paint, malachite for green, ochre for yellow, azurite for blue, and paint the most exquisite colors upon the wall. Students are also invited to join in a lively dance led by the queen. And for extra excitement, teachers can be added throughout the show. Right now we all know Egypt has no pharaoh. A surprise ending fascinates viewers and provides a basis for compelling post-show discussions. Let Kids Interactive Theater share the joy of performing arts and love of history with your students today.